Hey guys, it is February the 14th, 2023, and today I'm going to give you an update on my banana tree that I purchased back on November the 22nd, 2022. I did a video showing how I propagated the pups from underneath. Give you an update on those. There's a link to the video at the top of the video here, and I'll put one at the end also so you can watch that video if you'd like. This is the original banana tree that I purchased on November the 22nd, 2022. And as you can see, it has more pups at the bottom. The ones that I propagated away from it are ready to go up into larger pots. There's one. There's another one. As you can see, there's pups at the bottom of that one also. And I got all of these that were propagated on November the 22nd, 2022. And we'll take a look at all of those. Okay, here is the original banana tree that I purchased on November the 22nd, 2022. As you can see, it has pups. And I was able to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 off of the original tree. These two right here were just pieces of root that I just dropped in this pot to see if they would do anything, and I did get 2 plants out of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate these two into their own individual pots. We do have a little baby pup here that I'm going to take away and put in its own little pot, and we're going to pot this plant into a larger pot. Same with this one. I'm going to take these little pups, there's a couple down here, we're going to take into their own pot and pot the bigger one up into its own pot. As you can see, they're doing quite well. This one actually has a root that has come out the bottom of the pot altogether. So, thriving. I was able to propagate 10 more plants from my original, and I got the other ones potted back up into larger pots, the ones that needed to go up. And again, this is the original plant. So from this original, we have the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, now 18 banana tree plants. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.